Kia ora tātou, ko whatatiri te maunga, ko Whitiao Paul te awa, ko te rourou, te parewhau, te mahurihuri ngā hapu, ko Nāku i te iwi, ko Whitiao Paul rāhau. I'm the lead for the social services within Manaaki Tangata E Rua, which is a transitional housing provider based at Te Puea Memorial Marae in Māngere Bridge in Auckland. And I also have the role of taking the evidence from the mahi that we do in the program over to research. So the kaupapa rangahau is actually looking at existing or new communities with whānau who have come through the program who are homeless, looking at their tenancy, looking at the sustainable and affordable housing and why and if they do go into housing. The primary issues are looking at land location or the loss of land, the loss of the reo for our people, and looking at the whānau as a whole as to why an individual or a whānau has actually become homeless. The strategy is to look at what has worked and what hasn't worked, looking at homelessness to home ownership, looking at how whānaus have engaged or embraced existing or new communities and how the rangahau or the program has actually continued to embrace whānaus when they've actually spread their wings and they're ready to fly. I think the challenge is, you can give whānau as much awhi and a lot of tools to actually help them move themselves to a better place. And if they don't take that, well then it becomes a challenge, not only for themselves, but for the people that are working with them as well. It's sort of like taking a step forward and 10 steps back, if you know what I mean. So eventually they get there, but that's one of the biggest challenges. I think the whānaus have to be ready to actually want to move and make changes. When we can knock on a whānau's door and greet them and they greet us and then they invite us inside for a cup of tea, I mean, that's got to be the biggest success in terms of rangahau. In terms of being able to embrace our whānaus, whether they're individuals or whānau hapu and iwi.